Seahorse farming is not only a fascinating practice but also a crucial solution to meet the increasing demand for these remarkable creatures in traditional medicine, aquariums, and other industries. But have you ever wondered how these enchanting marine animals are farmed sustainably and what role they play in conservation? Today, we'll dive deep into the world of seahorse farming, uncovering its importance in both preserving seahorse populations and meeting commercial demands. Seahorses, scientifically known as hippocampus, meaning bent horse in Greek, are small yet extraordinary fish with an appearance and behavior that capture the imagination. The male seahorse's brood pouch, located on his abdomen, functions similarly to a female's womb, where fertilization and embryo development take place. Seahorse farming plays an essential role in ensuring the sustainability of these fascinating creatures. Specialized aeration and filtration systems keep the water oxygenated and clean, creating the ideal living conditions for these delicate creatures. Male seahorses play a crucial role in their offspring's survival. After the female lays her eggs, the male seahorse collects them into his brood pouch, where fertilization and embryo development happen. This incubation period can last several weeks, after which the male gives birth, releasing hundreds of tiny baby seahorses into the water. However, survival is tough, Only about 5 out of 1,000 baby seahorses will make it to adulthood due to predation and other challenges. In modern seahorse farms, advanced technology is used to track and monitor the conditions of the seahorses, ensuring their well-being. From egg to commercial harvest, the farming process usually takes about 6 to 12 months, depending on the size and purpose of the seahorses. Dried seahorses have long been a valuable commodity in traditional medicine, especially in countries like China, where they are prized for their medicinal properties. This regenerative property is one of the key reasons bamboo is considered such a sustainable resource. Bamboo's shallow root systems hold the soil in place, preventing soil erosion, while also requiring little water to thrive once established. Additionally, bamboo absorbs carbon dioxide more efficiently than many trees, making it a vital player in efforts to combat climate change. Farming bamboo, a sustainable solution. Bamboo farming has become an increasingly popular method of production due to its efficiency and environmental benefits. The farming methods used for bamboo are not only cost-effective but also labor-friendly. Bamboo farming is especially well suited for rugged or mountainous terrains, where machinery is difficult to operate. In these areas, farmers often rely on traditional methods to harvest bamboo, conserving labor while ensuring the environment remains intact. The bamboo harvesting process itself can be challenging, especially in remote areas where bamboo grows. Transporting the bamboo from the forests to the base of the mountains often requires skill and specialized equipment. Despite these challenges, bamboo farming continues to expand, providing a renewable source of materials for a variety of industries. Eco-friendly products and growing demand. As sustainability becomes an increasingly important issue, bamboo products are gaining popularity worldwide. One of the most common uses for bamboo is in disposable products, such as bamboo chopsticks. These serve as an eco-friendly alternative to plastic chopsticks, which contribute to significant environmental pollution. Bamboo chopsticks are biodegradable, non-toxic, and safe for health, while also helping to reduce plastic waste. Bamboo is also used to make other disposable products like cutlery, including spoons, forks, and straws. These products are ideal for consumers who want to make environmentally responsible choices. Bamboo straws, for example, are a popular alternative to plastic straws, which are notorious for contributing to pollution in oceans and landfills. Bamboo straws offer a completely biodegradable solution and can be used multiple times, helping to minimize the amount of plastic waste generated by single-use products. As the global demand for sustainable alternatives increases, bamboo is positioned as a solution to the plastic crisis, providing both eco-friendliness and durability. Bamboo in construction and paper production. Beyond disposable products, bamboo is also making waves in the building and paper industries. It doesn't need pesticides or chemical fertilizers, and its rapid growth allows farmers to harvest it multiple times a year without harming the ecosystem. Bamboo is also known to be highly resistant to pests and diseases, reducing the need for harmful chemicals. By choosing bamboo over other materials, we are helping to preserve biodiversity and protect ecosystems from degradation. The future of bamboo farming. As global awareness of environmental issues grows, the demand for bamboo products will continue to rise. The plant's ability to thrive in diverse climates, its fast-growing nature, and its versatile uses make bamboo a key component of sustainable development in the 21st century. Whether it's used for building homes, producing paper, creating biodegradable consumer goods, or reducing plastic waste, bamboo offers a sustainable solution for a range of industries. If you're interested in learning more about the fascinating processes behind bamboo farming and production, we invite you to explore our upcoming videos, where we'll dive deeper into how bamboo is cultivated and processed into a variety of products that are transforming industries and protecting our planet. In traditional Chinese medicine, seahorses are believed to help improve vitality, strengthen the immune system, aid kidney function, and treat male health issues. The demand for dried seahorses is high, with prices ranging from $500 to $1,500 per kilogram, depending on the species and quality. Larger seahorses with vibrant colors tend to fetch a higher price. The primary markets for dried seahorses remain in China, Hong Kong, Taiwan, and other Southeast Asian countries like Singapore and Malaysia.